Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to create this very beautiful and amazing wall decor with home decor pieces that you can find at your local dollar store. My idea was to have a very floral and greenery wall decor. I picked up some artificial strings of leaves and flowers, some artificial white hydrangeas and other flowers in white, light pink, dark pink, and in purple. I wanted to fill up the wall space between the windows, so 9 of these artificial boxwood tiles were just enough. To create one large panel, I used 3 rows, where each row had 3 tiles. I used pieces of green thread to tie these tiles together, but to save time, you could easily just use some zip ties. For some reason, I just preferred the thread over the zip ties. So now I'm laying down the 3 rows on the floor, and I'm going to put them together by tying them with a piece of thread. Now I'm going to put this up on the wall. I used some magic tape to put this up, but something I would have done differently would be to use command hooks. The magic tape held up pretty good, but after some time there were some parts that kept falling off and I had to keep fixing it. The command hooks would have definitely saved me a lot of time to put this up, and also I would not be needing to worry about it falling off. These panels have already started giving out so much texture and volume, and I'm loving it so far. Next, I'm putting up the strings of leaves and flowers as a second layer, which is adding more texture. The next step is to add the flowers. I'm bending the stem of the flowers in an angle so it'll be easier for me to just stick them into the wall panel. No wall decor is complete without fairy lights, so here I've added some string lights and it has transformed it to the next level. This floral and greenery wall decor looks so magical and so amazing. I'm very happy that I took this challenge up. The best part is every single item from this wall decor is from the dollar store. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye, guys.